our phone here to our frame.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Okay, well, we're getting there right now, girl. I got you. We're gonna go into our app here. You can, because she wants to take a
selfie together. No, together.
Oh, yeah.
Selfie.
Ready? My races. Oh my god, what an ugly photo.
And we can retake.
Okay, let's retake it.
Yeah. Let's make it happen. Let's make it a good one if we're gonna make it. Wait, where do we look?
Should we take that
No,
one?
that's
Okay.
terrible.
Okay, whatever.
Okay,
Let's
first,
just use
hold
this
on.
photo. Let's just use this photo. For the
Okay.
sake of the video.
Yeah.
It's okay, my braces are showing, so.
Yeah, that's fine. You know
We're
what?
gonna use that photo.
Just let us know. What do you think of the photo?
Hi everyone, my name is Anika and this is Cindy. Welcome back to the HomeAutomationX channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We were sent this digital picture frame for a massive tech unboxing series, which we already filmed and uploaded. I'm sure you guys have already watched it. And there were several comments on this particular item, including this one by Nigel Barrett. Hi, Nigel. And if we could do a dedicated video, he asked, before we give it away. So here we are right now, dedicating a video to you, Nigel. And everybody else, of course. And this massive tech unboxing video that, you know, here it is. We're going to refer to it right now.
What is it? What do you think it is? Comment down below.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Ooh, this is a fun little Christmas gift.
Amazing! Oh, this is awesome. Right on. Just throw it down there. Throw it on the ground. And we are still planning to give it away along with everything else in that video. And we will do that exactly 1 week from today. So you can see how to enter by clicking down in the description below. And if nothing else, enjoy the video.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to remain notified. We do release videos on a weekly basis.
That's right. And also please use our Amazon links if you shop on Amazon, and if not, well, why not start now? Now these links are in every single one of our videos and they really help us out.
Finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before anyone else, guys, you know that exclusive, check out our Patreon links down below for the details.
That's right. So here it is, guys. Woo! It comes in a nice sturdy box.
Okay.
That's right. I will refresh some of the features it has while Anika here opens the box.
Okay.
Now this is a 10-inch Wi-Fi digital touchscreen picture frame that we're about to see. I'm super excited. And watch that shake. There you go. Would you like surprised with that shake? All right, here we go. She's unboxing. It's exciting.
All
All right, so this is a little refresher. Oh,
the picture frame.
That's right, get the picture.
And then we have the back of the picture frame where we can actually screw this in. And when we do screw it in, we could make it stand this way, landscape, or we can do it portrait.
That's right, and so it is a picture frame by Jag & Touch with a customized sleep mode as well, and it can auto-rotate your photos. So it's pretty awesome. Now it comes with an internal 16 gigabyte of storage. But if that isn't enough for you, you can even insert an additional SD card for even more storage or use their free iCloud service. And you can place the frame, as Anika said, either way. So portrait or landscape, or even mount it on the wall.
Yes, and you can also just plug it straight in to your outlet here. And we have, you know, everything that we need that it comes with, our adapter, as well as a little USB to connect it to anything you like. You can connect this to you can literally connect this right into your phone.
It's pretty
You
awesome.
can connect it into any USB, like portable USB, whatever it is, you know.
And that allows you to instantly receive photos and up to 30-second video clips via the Wi-Fi, and your family, your friends, everyone can share in the moments with you. To the frame and the multiple methods that it has makes it truly very adaptable. As the phone app is working, you can send email, or you can even turn the frame into a local FTP server. So now, as we see, we've powered it up, and we're going to show you how we can take a picture and upload it to the frame.
Alrighties. Pizza's here! So as soon as we power it up, it asks us to choose an available Wi-Fi and enter the password.
And that's the one.
We got it? All right, so after that, our language we select, it's English. Okay, we got our city set to Toronto. Toronto without the T, guys, Toronto. Okay, our time zone is Eastern.
So that one I'll change.
All right.
So you just scroll up for that one.
We got Eastern all the way at the bottom.
Woo,
Eastern
almost.
time.
There we go. And now,
Perfect. So now we're gonna click the arrow, the check mark, and the daily schedule. This is where I wish they had a motion sensor. So, well, just getting into the daily schedule here.
there it is.
Okay, so, all right, so we have a daily schedule here, guys. But it would be nice to have something that would motion sense us so that we don't have to worry about setting a schedule in case, like, you know, you want it to be powered off for like maybe 5 hours throughout the day and someone comes home for 2 hours. That'd be nice, energy saving, you know what I mean, guys.
That's right. Set it and forget it.
Yeah, that'd be kind of cool, but it is what it is. Now it wants us to download the My Photo app.
Okay, yeah. It says, please download and install the app, register an account, and log in.
Yeah.
And then add the device to My Devices in the Devices module of the main inference of the app.
So we would register the device using the frame ID.
That's what you do. So we are going to power it up now and show you how we can make a picture and upload it into the frame. So what you're going to do is go into the app and click on Devices. We have it set up, but you would click on the plus to add it to your frame ID. All your family members can also do this. Then, under User Management in the picture frame, you have to accept them. But you can always turn off that option if you wish.
The easiest way to add photos is to transfer them to a USB stick and insert them into the frame. Now, in the app, you click on Files to upload photos that are already on your phone. Click on Photo to take a picture from your phone and then upload it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how we are going to connect our photos from our phone here to our frame.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Okay, well, we're getting there right now, girl. I got you. We're gonna go into our app here. You can do photos, videos, whatever you want. I'm gonna go into photo because she wants to take a
selfie together. No, together.
Oh, yeah.
Selfie.
Ready? I erases. Oh my god, what an ugly photo.
And we can retake.
Okay, let's retake it.
Yeah. Let's make it happen. Let's make it a good one if we're gonna make it. Wait, where do we look? Oh.
Should we retake that
No,
one?
that's
Okay.
terrible.
Okay, whatever.
Okay,
Let's
first,
just use
hold
this
on.
photo. Let's just use this photo. For the
Okay.
sake of the video.
Yeah.
It's okay, my braces are showing, so.
Yeah, that's fine. You know
We're
what?
gonna use that photo.
Just let us know. What do you think of the photo?
So it's going to say that it's processing, and then we're going to click on the arrow on the top right, and it's going to go ahead and now start loading it.
Loading.
Oh, that was really quick.
Wow.
Front camera's a lot more
Woo.
like.
Oh, look, there it is. Get the picture.
Wait, what is this?
Amazeballs.
Oh, that's us too.
That's super fun. So now you can see how instantly it does work. It's amazing.
Yeah, so there isn't any options to connect to your Facebook or Instagram account to download photos this way. So this is pretty, you know, this is all through the app. Now,
To summarize, I'm going to say that this is not a bad picture frame, and it's not a bad picture either. It has a 4.6 rating on Amazon with 275 reviews. Make yours a 276. Now, it was easy to upload photos and videos through the app, and some things I wish that it had were the motion sensor to turn it on, the screen when you enter the room, and also the option to upload photos directly.
she's just a princess.
That would be
I'm
from
joking.
your social media accounts. Come on. Wouldn't that be a good option?
Yeah, it would be.
Princess or not?
Yeah. I'm kidding.
Kidding,
Now,
not kidding.
guys, did you find this video useful? Because if you did, We just ask that you please share it on your social media with your friends and your family. And also there are these videos here on the side that you can also check out. There is this video here on the top that is the most recent one, and the one below us is the one that Cindy likes to sit on. That one's recommended just for you.
That's right.
Thank you so much for watching our channel, guys. We really, really appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time.
Awesome. Bye.